Hi everybody, I want to quickly show you how you can add your NFTs to display them in the metaverse and specifically in Cryptovoxels. So you can get to a Cryptovoxel, specifically my parcel on San Fran. It's an island in Cryptovoxels from my Twitter account. I am Clint Hale. So I have a link there. Otherwise, you can go to cryptovoxels.com and find other ways to enter the land. But here we'll bring you to my gallery. So the way you can edit art or edit and build in Cryptovoxels is if you go to a Sandbox, which is a place that is put up that allow people to build for free, or you have to own the parcel. Here I own the parcel. So you could also rent from someone or be added as a collaborator. So I could just add someone's Ethereum address and they can be added as a collaborator. So here is how we add a NFT. So we hit B for build up here at the top, and then we go to NFT image, and then we click where we want to display it at. Let's do it here. And then we have to go to OpenSea and get the hyperlink. And you have to, the way it'll display is it'll check to make sure the Ethereum address is the parcel owner or someone listed as a collaborator on the parcel. So here, let's just pick this a lot of money box. I'm clicking on that to show the hyperlink. I'm going to copy the hyperlink here, go back to Cryptovoxels, paste it here, and now you'll see that it will be added here because it's checking to make sure. You can click these other boxes. These show GUI allows it to go to OpenSea afterwards. You can also click show frame, which will put the little frame around the image. Set trigger, you can set so that it will move or adjust when you get people in Cryptovoxels get into a certain proximity. So here, boom, already done. So that's how you can add an NFT display your NFT in Cryptovoxels. Hope you guys enjoy.